Hello student, I am Pramod sir, your maths teacher. Welcome to everybody today's online class. Student, today again I am going to start remaining question of exercise 11.1. So we are going to start from question number 6 because in my previous video I have finished till to question number 5. So student, firstly I am writing the question on the board. So see the question, student. A wire is in the shape of a wire is in the shape of rectangle. Rectangle. Its length is 40 centimeter. 40 centimeter and breadth is 22 centimeter. If the same wire is ribboned in the shape of a square, what will be the question is asking me, student, what will be the measure of each side. What will be the measure of each side? And next question is asking me also find which shape enclosed encloses more area. So student, this is the question. This is your question. So firstly, student, try to understand the meaning of the question. After this, we start your calculation. A wire is in the shape of a rectangle. There is a wire, and by reventing, we are making the rectangle. Its length is 40 centimeter and breadth is 22 centimeter. The length of the wire is 40 centimeter and breadth is 22 centimeter. If the same wire is ribboned, the length of the wire is same. By the same wire, we are making the square. Same wire is ribboned in the shape of a square. So question is asking me, what will be the measure of each side? So what will be the each side of the square, which you are making by the same wire? And second question is asking me, also find which shape enclosed more area. Question is asking me, rectangle has more area or square has more area. So number by number, firstly we find the area of rectangle, then we find the area of square. After this we can tell that which shape has the more area, student. But before finding this, we have to find out side of the square. So student, suppose that this is the wire and by this wire we are reventing this wire and we are making the rectangle. The side of the rectangle is made by this wire, and by this wire, the same length of the wire, we are making square also. We are making square. वायर का लेंथ सेम है और इसी लेंथ के वायर से हम क्या बना दिए, फिर स्क्वायर बना दिए. एंड लेंथ ऑफ द रेक्टेंगल इज 40 सेंटीमीटर. लेंथ इज 40 सेंटीमीटर एंड ब्रेड्थ इज 22 सेंटीमीटर. 22 सेंटीमीटर. 22 सेंटीमीटर. The length of the rectangle and breadth of the rectangle is given. Because student, we are making square by the same wire, so perimeter of the both set will be same. You know, it's very easy. क्योंकि एक ही वायर को हम रिबेंड करके रेक्टेंगल बना रहे हैं, फिर उसी वायर को हम रिबेंड करके स्क्वायर बना रहे हैं. It means the perimeter of both set will be equal. So student, firstly we find the perimeter of the rectangle. And when you will able to find out the perimeter of the rectangle, so this perimeter will equal to the perimeter of square. So student, I am going to solve this question like this. Length given. Length of rectangle is equal to 40 centimeter and breadth of rectangle is equal to 22 centimeter. So after this we will find the perimeter of the square. Perimeter of the rectangle. Now perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle 2 into length plus breadth. So you know 2 into length is given, student, 40 centimeter plus breadth is given 22 centimeter. So find the area. 2 into 40 plus 22 is equal to 62. And when you will multiply, you will get 2 2 is 4 and 2 6 is 12. 124 centimeter. This is the perimeter of the rectangle. Since is rectangle and square are made by the same length of wire. So therefore, क्योंकि दोनों सेम लेंथ वायर से बन रहे हैं, सेम वायर के लेंथ से बन रहे हैं, सो perimeter of the rectangle and perimeter of the square will be equal. Therefore perimeter of rectangle is equal to perimeter of square. So perimeter of the rectangle, student, you have already find out 124. So on this place we can write 124. And perimeter of the square, how can we find out? 4 into side. So student, from this equation we can find out the side of the square. So side of the square, side is equal to 124 upon 4. We transpose 4 to the left side. So we have to divide. 4 3s are 12 and 4 1 जा 4, 31 centimeter. 31 centimeter is the side of the square. Square की साइड क्या होगी? 31 centimeter. And you know property of the square, all sides are equal. So this side will be 31 and this side 31 and this side also will be 31 centimeter. Now student, you have find out the side of the square. इस side of the square will be 31 centimeter. प्रत्येक साइड उसकी क्या होगी? 31 centimeter. And second question is asking me also find which shape enclosed more area. Area, this amount of surface is area. This amount of surface sorry student, this amount of surface of this square is called the area. So which shape enclosed the more area? So number by number we find the area of the rectangle, then area of the square. After this we can compare. So student, you can take screenshot because I have no more space student here. So I hope you have understood first part of this question. So I'm going to solve the second part. So student, I have no more space, so I'm erasing it. मैं इरेज कर रहा हूं इसको, स्पेस नहीं है स्टूडेंट. सो वन आंसर you have find out. So second answer also find which shape enclosed more area. So area of the rectangle, area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. You know length is 40 centimeter, breadth is 22 centimeter. So when you multiply you will get 4 to the 8, 4 to the 8, 880 centimeter square. This is the area of rectangle. Now find the area of the square. Now area of square is equal to side into side, side into side. So in first part you have find out the side of the square 31 centimeter. So 31 into 31, and when you will multiply you will get, look here, 1 1 ja 1, 1 3 ja 3, 3 1 ja 3, 3 3 ja 9, 1 3 3 6 and 9, 3 3 6 and 9, 961 centimeter square. Now student, you can compare which shape has more area, rectangle or square. So you can say easily by comparing that square has the more area. Therefore square enclosed more area than rectangle. This is my answer. First answer is 31 centimeter is the side of east side of the square. First answer. And second answer, square enclosed more area than rectangle. By the comparing, 961 is greater or 881? 880. You can say easily 961 sir is greater than 880, and 961 is the area of square. So area enclosed the more area. Square enclosed the more area. So student, I hope you have understood this question very well. So come to the next question student. I am writing the second question, means question number 7. So Question number 7, student. This question I am telling you orally, you will do yourself, student. This question is very easy. Listen the question firstly. The perimeter of a rectangle is 130 centimeter. Perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter. I will not write the statement. I will do only rough here, and you will try to understand, student. I am not writing question also here. You have book, then you can say the question from your book. So, student, perimeter is given 130 centimeter. 130 centimeter is given. So, if the breadth of the rectangle is 30 centimeter, breadth is 30 centimeter. Breadth is 30 centimeter. Also find the area of the rectangle. Find its length. Length पूछ रहा है and area पूछ रहा है. Look here, student. Very easy question. Very easy question. You are seeing here that perimeter is given, breadth is given, length is asking me, and area is asking me. So, student, perimeter, you know the formula. Perimeter of the rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. You know. So, this is the formula. And in this formula, you will put all the given value. Perimeter 130. So, on the place of perimeter 130 is equal to 2 into L. We need to find out breadth is 30 centimeter. So, 2L plus 60 is equal to 130. Transpose 60 to the left side. So, 2L is equal to 130 minus 60. So, you will get 70, 2L. So, find the value of L. Transpose 2 to the right side. So, L is equal to 70 upon 2 is equal to 35. This is the length. This is the length of the 35 centimeter. It is the length of the rectangle. Now, you have find out the length 35 and breadth 30 is given in the question. So, find the area. Area of the rectangle. Area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. So, length is given. Length, you have already find out 35 into 30 multiply 3 5 is 15, 3 3 is 9 1 10 100 1050 centimeter square. 1050 centimeter square. In this way, student, you will solve this question. This question is very easy. This question is very easy. You will write the statement correctly and then you will solve. Means what? Which information is given in the question? Firstly, note it down. I am writing the short form of the perimeter. You will not write like this. You will write perimeter, P-R-I-M-E-T-E-R. Perimeter of the rectangle is equal to 130 centimeter. Breadth of the rectangle is equal to 30 centimeter given. So, length is equal to question mark and area is equal to question mark of the rectangle. Now, we know that perimeter of the rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. So, all the given value put in this equation, in this formula and find the value of L. After this, find out the area of the rectangle. This is very easy, student. So, come to the last question of this exercise, student. Question number 8. Question number 8 is also very easy, student. But this question I will solve here. And this is very, very most important question, student. Question number 8 is saying, student, I am not writing the question. Student, Everybody have the book and you can see the question and can understand from your book. So student, I am reading the question. A door of length 2 meter and breadth 1 meter is fitted in a wall. Suppose that this is the wall of the house, and in this wall a door is fitted. A door is fitted. This wall has the length and breadth. This wall also has the length breadth. This wall has also length and breadth. This wall has also length and breadth. So, student, a door of length 2 meter and breadth 1 meter. 2 meter length, 2 meter length and 1 meter breadth. Door is fitted in the wall. Question is saying the length of the wall is 4.5 meter. Length 4.5 meter and breadth is 3.6 meter. Breadth, इस wall की breadth 3.6, this is breadth 3.6 meter. So, student, find the cost of whitewashing the wall. Find the cost of the whitewashing the wall if the rate of the whitewashing the wall is rupees 20. Rate 20 per rupees 20 per meter square. Student, for solving this question, this is very most important question. Student, we are whitewashing the wall of the house. Suppose that this wall I am whitewashing, and in this wall a door is fitted. Length is 2 meter and breadth is 1 meter. So student, you know, on the door we not need to whitewash. Whitewash तो हमारा डोर पर नहीं होता, हम वॉल पर करते हैं डोर को छोड़ करके. So student, question is asking me find the cost of the whitewashing the wall. इस wall को suppose that if you need to whitewashing this wall, so what will be the cost? What will be the total cost of whitewashing of this wall? So student, now try to understand. Firstly student, we find the area of the wall. मुझे पहले वो स्पेस निकालना होगा जहां पर मुझे व्हाइट वॉश करना है. सो एरिया ऑफ द वॉल, पूरा वॉल इंक्लूडेड डोर. एरिया ऑफ द वॉल इंक्लूडिंग डोर. सो माई वॉल इज इन द रेक्टेंगल शेप. सो रेक्टेंगल का एरिया क्या होता है? लेंथ इंटू ब्रेथ. सो वी कैन फाइंड आउट इजिली, एंड देन we will find out the area of the door. Door is in the shape of rectangle also. So length into breadth 2 into 1, 2 meter square, and breadth 4.5, and area of the wall including door 4.5 into 3.6. We will multiply. After this, area on which we need to whitewash, area of the wall including door minus area of the door. So that is the pure space where we need to whitewash, and the rate 1 meter square. If you are whitewashing 1 meter square space, the cost is 20 rupees. So multiply by 20. So student, I am going to solve this question. Length of the door, solution मैं करने जा रहा हूं. Length of the door is equal to 2 meter. breadth of the door is equal to 1 meter. Area of the door, very easy question. Area of the door is equal to length into breadth. Why we are using this formula? Because my door is in the shape of rectangle, so length into breadth, 2 meter into 1 meter is equal to 2 meter square. This is the area of the door. Now area of the wall, including डोर के साथ इस वॉल की पूरी एरिया क्या होगी? सो स्टूडेंट 4.5 and 3.6 meter is given length and breadth of the wall. Length into breadth. Length is 4.5 meter into 3.6 meter. Multiply here. 4.5, 3.6, 6 5 the 30, 3 is carry, 6 4 the 24, 24 3 27, 3 5 the 15, 1 is carry, 3 4 the 12, 1 13, 0 7 5 12, 3 2 5 1 6 and 1. After 2 digits from the right side, we use the decimal. 16.20 is equal to 16.20 meter square is the area of the door. area of the wall including door के साथ पूरे वॉल की एरिया जो है वो 16.20 है. इसमें क्या है? 16.20 में क्या है? वॉल का एरिया है प्लस डोर का एरिया है, वॉल प्लस डोर दोनों, और ये क्या है? प्योर डोर का एरिया है. सो स्टूडेंट, देयरफॉर सो एरिया on which we need to whitewash is equal to area of the wall 16.20 minus 2 meter is equal to 14.20 meter square. This is the area where you need to whitewash. भाई टोटल एरिया में से अगर डोर का एरिया माइनस कर दें तो सिर्फ वॉल का एरिया बचेगा और वॉल पर ही आप व्हाइट वॉशिंग भी करेंगे. सो ऑन दिस स्पेस, ऑन दिस एरिया वी नीड टू व्हाइट वॉश एंड rate of whitewashing is equal to rupees 20 per meter square. It is given. So total cost, therefore total cost of whitewashing the wall is equal to 14.20 into 20, that is 2 2 जा 4, 2 4 जा 8, 2 1 जा 2, 0. That is 284 rupees is the total cost of the whitewashing. This is my answer. Student. So it is very easy question, student. Firstly, find the area of the door. After this, find the area of the wall including door, and then find that area on which you need to whitewash. That is area of the wall including door minus area of the door 14.20, and rate is 20 rupees per meter square, and total space where we need to whitewash 14.20 meter square. So total cost will be 14.20 into 20, that is 284 rupees. So student, I hope you have understood this question very well. So student, in my next video, I will start your new exercise 11.2. So thank you student, thank you very much.